Yo, we are on a doozy of a call, y'all. A doozy. This is a doozy. So first the customer called in and we came out to do a service request because the customer needed a spare tire put on. Well, we get here. Lo and behold, the spare tire is no bueno. So what do? We got to offer the customer a solution for that because that's what you do when you're a business and you have people that depend on you to get going. And the solution was we can go get you a new tire or a used tire. Customer opts in for a used tire. We say, great. We go pick a used tire up, make it back to the customer, install the used tire onto the rim of the vehicle, and guess what? Guess what? The used tire's got a hole on the sidewall. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. When that happens to you, it makes you want to cry because now you know that one, the customer's mad because you've been making them wait so long. Two, you spent money on a bad tire that now is going to come out of your pocket because you can't charge the customer for that tire. And three, you still got a problem. You still got to solve the problem that you put this customer in, which was not able to provide them with the service and tire that they needed. So what do we have to do? Opt in for a third tire. This one's a brand new one. We got to go pick it up 40 minutes away. And luckily, I have a friend, Sam, that does the stuff with me. And I was able to, stay with the customer, reassure them that we're not going to go anywhere. Take the girls that were in the vehicle to the restroom because they had to go get something to eat or something to drink. And they had to go to the restroom. And this call here came in around 5:30. It is 8:47, so we're about 3 hours in. And we're still not done. I still got to mount the tire, put the tire on the vehicle for the customer, and go from there. But this is why this service is expensive. At the end of the day, we take the losses that we have to take when things go wrong, when things don't go our way. And if you're thinking about opening a mobile tire business or doing roadside assistance, just know this is going to happen. This is maybe the second or third time something like this has happened, but not to this extent because usually we're able to find a used tire and replace our mistake or do it on the second go around. But this one's the third go around. So this is the third time we showed up to the customer trying to help them, and we're still not. We're going to get them going now because we have another tire coming, but it's very stressful, man. Luckily, I had already ate before I came. Otherwise, I'd be starving right now. Baby, if you're watching this, thank you for those empanadas. That was bomb. But this is what it is. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get customers going. And if it costs you time and costs you money, it is what it is, man.